Adding flavor to your language. A dash of seasoning, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a flavorful phrase that you might come across in English conversations or recipes, a dash of seasoning. This expression is not only about cooking but also enriches our daily language with its vivid imagery. Let's explore its meaning, use, and how it spices up the English language. A dash of seasoning refers to adding a small amount of spice or flavoring to a dish to enhance its taste. The word dash itself suggests a quick, light touch, not pouring or spooning out, but giving just enough to make a difference. Seasoning can be anything from salt and pepper to exotic spices, depending on the dish's requirements. Literal use. In cooking, a dash of seasoning is crucial. It's the chef's secret to turning a good dish into an extraordinary one. A dash means just a little bit, enough to improve a dish without overwhelming its original flavors. Figurative use. Figuratively, a dash of seasoning can be applied to situations outside the kitchen. It refers to adding a little something extra to enhance whatever we are doing. For example, adding a dash of humor to a speech or a dash of color to a painting. It's about the subtle touches that make a big difference. My grandmother believes that a dash of seasoning is the secret to any great dish. All it took was a dash of courage for him to step up and share his ideas with the team. Her letter was touching, with a dash of humor that made us all smile. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, seamlessly fitting into culinary, personal, and professional contexts. We hope this video has added a dash of insight into how the English language uses food-related expressions to convey broader meanings. Remember, it's the small touches, a dash of seasoning, that can transform our language and actions into something memorable. Thank you for watching, and keep spicing up your English learning journey.